Today's video is all about obstacle detection with version 12.6.4. This is hardware 3. You can see it stopped there both times. It reacts really well. In fact, it will react to squirrels and small rodents in the road. And this is a testament to how great it is detecting moving objects. Now, my daughter goes in the road without me knowing about it, and FSD obviously doesn't go. I am ready to take over
that was really good.
At a moment's notice, but take a look at this last test here. So that one, a little bit of a reaction. It wasn't enough of a push. But here's a great example of it just slowing down. Now, I did try different speeds. I feel like if you go extremely fast, though, it probably wouldn't react. So this is one regret that I have. I didn't test it going, 45 miles per hour or faster. But take a look at this. She moves it right in front of the car, and my car almost like forgets that it's there. So, not ideal if you ask me. There's a great example of kind of going faster and it just not stopping. But here, no problem. Again, I was going slower there. Then I moved on to some tires. And here, no problem at all. Now my foot is hovering over the brake. And there I did have to disengage just to prevent damage. It wouldn't have really damaged it that much, but it's very obvious it was reacting. Now we set this up, and my daughter has some really funny remarks here once we get this all set up with these boxes. This is mimicking a test Dirty Tesla did. But listen to this. My daughter is hilarious. I don't know.
So cool.
I know.
You gotta pay me extra for this one.
I don't know where she comes up with this stuff.
This is cool.
It's fun.
This is cool.
I know it's cold, isn't it?
You gotta pay me an extra $1,000.
Pay you extra. All right.
I am in.
$1,000.
$1,000?
And the extra is gonna be $1 billion.
Yeah, I'm in deep trouble. So you can see it's responding pretty well to the boxes. Now just look at the bottom right. You'll see my steering wheel. Every time this happens, my steering wheel reacts to it. Now that was kind of a faster speed. There were a couple times where my car tried to route down another path. And that was kind of last second. Now this ladder, this is what really pains me.
That would have hit it.
It just cannot recognize the ladder. No matter what I did, it would not stop.
Yeah,
Did
it
stop
would
by
have.
itself?
It would have hit it. Yep, it definitely would have hit it. Now we're gonna do another experiment. We're gonna put it on the side.
So I thought for sure it would detect it this time, and I start way far back this time as well. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I didn't step on the accelerator, but watch this.
Ah, it would have hit it again.
Okay, this time, let's try this. Like, make it.
Oh, that's a good idea. Like that? Yeah, leave it there. That's good. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, good idea.
Now I thought for sure it would respond to this. You can see it showed like a line on the screen.
It would have hit it.
It moved a little bit, but it was not enough to avoid it. Yeah, it was gonna hit it.
I think it thinks like it's a painted line or something. Here going a lot slower, 12 miles an hour. You can see the line showing up there on the screen. So it thinks that object is like part of the road.
Was it gonna hit it?
Yes.
It was gonna hit it, right?
Yes.
And then I slow it way down to 7 miles an hour, and it seems to react. It got really close there.
That was close.
And then the last test, I put the tire out here, fully expecting that it will see this and go around. And I speed the car up here as well, so 16, 17, 18. So I'm stepping on the accelerator to get it up to 20 plus miles per hour. And sure enough, it goes around really nicely there. So in conclusion, I would say that the ladder is, certainly a tough one for the cameras to detect and avoid. The ladder is a very dangerous one. And now I'm curious, I've never tested that with version 14 or with version 13 for that matter. But that is something that is, awfully scary to me. If you are driving on the highway, for example, especially, that could really damage your car. Other ones, I'll let you decide. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until the next one, have a great one.